Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravi Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravi Tandon. Chapter 4, How to Make Others Like You Instantly. I was waiting in line to register a letter in the post office at 33rd Street and 8th Avenue in New York. I noticed that the clerk appeared to be bored with the job, weighing envelopes, handing out stamps, making change, issuing receipts, the same monotonous grind year after year. So I said to myself, I am going to try to make the clerk like me. Obviously, to make him like me, I must say something nice, not about myself, but about him. So I ask myself, what is there about him that I can honestly admire? That is sometimes a hard question to answer, especially with strangers. But in this case, it happened to be easy. I instantly saw something I admired no end. So while he was waiting my envelope, I remarked with enthusiasm, I certainly wish I had your head of hair. He looked up, half startled, his face beaming with smiles. Well, it isn't as good as it used to be, he said modestly. I assured him that although it might have lost some of its pristine glory, nevertheless it was still magnificent. He was immensely pleased. We carried on a pleasant little conversation, and the last thing he said to me was, many people have admired my hair. I'll bet that person went out to lunch that day walking on air. I will bet he went home that night and told his wife about it. I will bet he looked in the mirror and said, it is a beautiful head of hair. I told this story once in public, and a man asked me afterwards, what did you want to get out of him? What was I trying to get out of him? What was I am trying to get out of him? If we are so contemptibly selfish that we can't radiate a little happiness and pass on a bit of honest appreciation without trying to get something out of the other person in return, if our souls are no bigger than sour crab apples, we shall meet with the failure we so richly deserve. Oh, yes, I did want something out of that chap. I wanted something priceless, and I got it. I got the feeling, and I had done something for him without his being able to do anything whatever in return for me. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success. I will do it. Only I can do it. Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.